Hello friends, welcome to my automation learning channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to communicate CItec SCADA with Modbus RS485. I assume that you are familiar with Modbus RS485, so I am not going in more detail about that. Here I am having one PID controller that supports Modbus RS485 communication. In this video, I will read its set point and process value in CItec SCADA. This is my USB to serial converter, which is showing COM port 2. And these are the settings of the controller. Device ID or address is 3, baud rate is 9600, data bit or length is 8, stop bit is 1, and parity is none. These settings are required to be done in CItec SCADA. Process value is coming on address 44097 and the set value is coming on address 48197. Let us first check this data on Modscan software. Okay, so our PV and SV are coming on this Modscan software. Now let us start the CItec SCADA. Here we have to create board, port and IO device. In case you are not familiar with board, port and IO device concept, please check the CItec tutorial part 2. Link for the same is given in the video description. Now I am creating new board in existing IO device. For serial communication, baud type is COMAX and the baud address is 0. Now let us create a port. Port number is basically our serial port number that we have checked in our device manager, which was COM2, and select the board name here that we have just created. Now here we need to configure baud rate, data bits, stop bit and parity. This setting should be exactly same as your Modbus serial device. Now let us create an IO device. Give any suitable name to your IO device. Now here we require to define device address, which is 3. Select the Modbus protocol from the drop-down list, and here select the port that we have just created, that is port 1_baud 1. Saving and compiling the project. compiled successfully. Now let us create Modbus tags. As demonstrated with Modscan, here I will create PV and SV tags. Okay, and now let's create display for these two tags. Creating a new page. And configure numeric display for PV and SV tags. Press Ctrl+Shift+A to open the Arrange dialog box. Saving the page. Run the computer setup wizard if you are running the CItec for the first time and do the necessary settings. Okay, values are coming. Now let us change the sum set value from the controller and observe the changes on CItec. Now let me show you some INI parameters that you may require to configure in your system. These are the same parameters that I have configured in CItec Modbus TCP/IP communication. Link for that video is given in the description. Init type is for initializing the communication at startup. For example, if you are reading the input register from your Modbus slave device, then init type will be 4. Check the help section for more details. Don't forget to like and share if you find this video helpful to you. Subscribe for more upcoming videos, and you can also join our membership to get the access of members only training videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.